name is Elizabeth DeTemple, and I am the Sales and Marketing Coordinator here at Sussex IM. Well, what is Sussex IM, you may ask? We're a Wisconsin-based injection molding company. And to introduce you more to our company and our team here, we're rolling out a monthly video series called the Sussex Solution. We want to take you behind the scenes, show you our industry knowledge and what we do here, so that we can help find a solution for you. So this month what we'll be doing is introducing you to our VP of Supply Chain, Megan Zanakakis. She'll be taking you on a tour of our advanced manufacturing facility and all of our warehousing and logistics services that we provide, and also showing you our 71,000 square foot expansion that we just put on. So we hope you will join us. We hope you can learn a lot about us, and we hope that we can help find a Sussex solution for you.